going on, guys? It's Rajan and we are back with a new unboxing video. Today we are going to unbox our new headset from HP. Model number is HP H2800. You can get this headset on Amazon.in for under 1000 rupees with various color options. So I will provide the links in the description, so you guys go over there and check it out. Now let me first show you the brief overview of the packet. We received this packet from Blue Dart and you can see the packing is nice. Let's get started towards the unboxing. It's packed very nicely. Here it is. Let me remove the poly bags. This is the HP headset and it's in blue color, you can see. And let me first show you the key specs of this. And here are the headset key specs, as you can see. Let's unbox the packet. Packing is nice and good amount of wire. And let's take out the headset. This is microphone and volume controller of this headset, and you can see the HP logo, and build quality is good, and you can see this is foldable like this, so it's easy to carry around with you. And the speakers are here. And good amount of wire. Let me remove this to show you the actual length of the wire. You will get around 4.5 feet length, and this is the HP headset. So thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe button, it's down there. Okay, bye guys.